Hi, I'm Li Fujian from Ting Fountain. Today, let me introduce our project Echo Fountain. It's an interactive fountain system where users can control water with their hands to water flowers, and the flowers respond with movement, lights, and even music. We actually got inspired by this exact fountain here at UQ Lakes. The idea was, what if a fountain could become more than just decoration? What if it could be part of an interactive game? Originally, I was thinking about something like Zen Garden mode in Plants vs. Zombies, where the user waters plants manually and the plants respond to care. That kind of peaceful, responsive interaction really stuck with me. So we thought, why not combine it with a real fountain? Instead of the user holding a watching cam, we use gesture sensors to guide the fountain itself to spray water onto the plants, and when the plants receive the right amount of water, they thank you back, with vibration, lights, and little celebration. So after the idea, our team started building the system step by step. We began with the basic fountain structure and tested how to pump water reliably using a Juno. We experimented with simple circuitry and no-code setups to first see the fountain in action. My personal contributions were mainly in the early prototyping and testing phase. I built the initial version of the fountain, tried using a sound sensor to trigger water spraying, and explored how gesture inputs might later control LED lights. Some ideas worked, some didn't, but all of that helped us understand the system better. I also looked into 3D printing options to possibly house components and nozzles more securely. Later, I worked on waterproofing, covering exposed parts, sourcing waterproof clothes, and providing logistical support for my team, including late-night material runs and transport. One big challenge we faced was debugging. We needed to connect multiple components, gesture sensors, pumps, moisture sensor servos, and get them to work smoothly together. One wrong line of code to break everything. Sometimes uploading a new sketch will fix one thing and break another. Waterproofing was another nightmare. Water leaked into connectors, corroded wires, and short-circuited sensors. We realized that using water before finishing the core functions introduced unnecessary risk and delays. In future projects, I definitely wait until logic is 100% stable before adding water. Another issue was physical wiring. Our system had too many fragile jumper wires, all crammed tightly in a small space. When one broke, we often had to redo whole sections. This showed us the need for the modular wiring design and stronger cable management. But despite all that, we managed to complete our working prototype. The gesture sensors successfully controlled spray angle. Moisture sensors responded when flowers get wet. The servo motors caused the flowers to vibrate, our version of a thank you gesture from the plants. When all the flowers were watered in the correct sequence, the fountain played music and a line strip around it lit up in celebration. This gave a sense of achievement, like finishing a level in a game. It made the interaction feel satisfying and memorable. Looking back, I will improve several things. First, delay the introduction of water until all code logic is confirmed. Second, integrate modular wiring to prevent total failure from a single loose wire. Third, simplify component layout to reduce setup time and error points. We could also enhance user experiences by adding feedback layers, like progress indicators showing which flowers are done, or more varied animations from the plant. These additions will make the interaction more engaging and dynamic. Echo Fountain still has so much potential. With better refinement, it could become a beautiful public installation, perhaps in the hotel lobby, a school garden, or even a therapeutic space. It's a small system with a magical heart, and we're proud of what it became.